Today we'll be starting with the sectional orthographic, and in the case of a sectional orthographic, what we will do is first we will be practicing it the normal orthographic itself. Okay, first we will practice the normal orthographic in that case, and then we will just convert that orthographic into sectional orthographic. So this way we'll be doing it the problem for the AutoCAD sheet 2. Okay, so we'll start with today AutoCAD sheet 2. So I'll just share with you all people the AutoCAD sheet 2. Then we'll start with that part. My screen is visible, students. Do my screen is visible? Okay. Wait a minute. Now is it visible? Now is it visible, students? Is it visible? Yeah, perfect. Good. So this is the problem what we are having, but we are supposed to draw it in the AutoCAD sheet 2. Okay. So there are again two problems are there. So one problem I'll be drawing it, and another problem you are supposed to do it. That is the way how we'll be doing it a practice as well. So I expect from you all, please take a screenshot of it so that at least you'll be having this particular drawing with you or manipulation. After then, let's start with it. So the very first thing what we are supposed to do is first we are supposed to set the units. So we'll set the units. Now in this units, we'll just mention this as millimeter. Precision, make it 0. Okay, and keep it 0.0 as well, not a problem. Limits, enter 0, comma 0, enter. It's keeping it 1000, comma 1000. Can keep it more than this, less than this also. So everyone, after doing this, just make a vertical line. That vertical line will be the random length. You can keep it a random length, which can be later on if we need it, we can increase it, decrease it as well. So as per that, I have made it. Everyone. So everyone just make this vertical line first. Once we have made the vertical line, what you have to do next is have to make a horizontal line. And the horizontal line we are supposed to make it. So let's start with making the horizontal line. I'm making a horizontal line. So horizontal line I made it. Again, the distance is random. Now this is the thing what we are doing it every time. So we'll not waste much time on this. I think so. So what we are making it simply we are making it two lines, which is one vertical line and one is horizontal line. And then as we have done in a sheet, we'll be doing it here as well. The same thing. We'll be making the parallel lines parallel to this. So what I'll do is I'll just select the line, I'll just take a copy, and then I'll go right side 10, enter, and coming to the left 10, escape. So I hope it is clear, getting clear to you how we have done this. We are making the two lines, one is horizontal and one is vertical. And the vertical line what we are making, just beside that, two lines what we are making parallel to it. And after then, the same procedure will follow for the horizontal line. So for the horizontal line, what we will do is once again, we just copy, and then we go above 10, enter, and then below 10, enter. This way, we'll just complete these two. I hope till here everyone is done. Yeah, come on. If you have not done, please do it fast. Okay. So then people can let me know what is the length of the figure, width of the figure, height of the figure. Length of the figure, width of the figure, and height of the figure. Can anyone put it in a chat? Length, width, and height of the figure. Come on, waiting for you all people. Length, width, and height of the figure. Come on. Yes. Guys, keep replying so that it will encourage me to continuously make you learn. Come on. Yes. Nishant, Swapna, Pranjal, Deepak, Pratham, Tanisha. Width is 130. Yash has said width is 130. Can we get a bifurcation, Yash? How the width is 130? Yes. It's 65 plus 40 plus 20. So this is the bifurcation of the width, and that becomes your 60 plus 40, 100, 120, 125. This is the bifurcation. I hope Yash, it's 90 plus 40. We are talking about the width. We are talking about the width. What was the limit we have to put after units? That Aradhya, we are supposed to do it in the first lecture. हमने first lecture में देखा था. I hope so. Got it? You are not seeing a video, that means see the video and then follow it. Chalo. So width is 125 and Yash has said something which was 130. 130 is not a width, bacha. It is 90 plus 40. What you are seeing is actually the height of the figure. So someone told that, yeah, Sakshi told length is 150. Sakshi, can you give the bifurcation? It is 35 plus 35 plus 20 plus 20. This is the bifurcation. 35, 35, 70, 70 plus 20, 90, 90 plus 20 is 120. This way. Students, if you are not able to understand, please ask me, because this is the point where you are supposed to understand the thing and then you have to put it in your exam. Yeah, very good, Aditya. Sakshi is telling height is 150. Can you give me the bifurcation, Sakshi? The height is 10 plus 90 plus 40 plus 20. So 90 plus 10 is 100. 100 plus 40, 140 plus 20, 160. 160. People are not focusing now. I hope people are not focusing. Please check. 90 plus 40 plus 20 minus height. What is this? Tanisha, what you are trying to say? 90 plus 40 plus 20 minus height. Sir, in length, last to 20, how they came? Okay. Okay, chalo. So I'll just explain now. For time for the length. So length is this first. ये 35 दिख रहा है. फिर ये भी 35 दिख रहा है. ये हो गया क्लियर. ये देखो ये 20 है. And then फिर ये 20 है. Is it clear, everyone? ये देखो 20 mentioned. Is it clear, everyone? For the length, everyone is clear. Okay, very good, Tanisha. So the everyone understood with the length. Length is clear to everyone. Perfect. Now coming to a width. 65, 40, and then this length, which is half of this. Half of this is divided by 2. So is it clear with the height, sorry, width as well? Everyone, width is also clear. Yes, come on, reply. Perfect. Yes. So the width is also clear. Now coming to the height. Take some other color. Height is first this 10. देखो ये 10, फिर ये 90, then this 40, and then this distance, which is half of this. So I hope the height is also clear. Everyone? Yes, come on. Yeah, perfect. Okay. So that is something what we are having a dimension. वो हमारा dimension हो गया. I'll just clear all the drawings and then yeah, that was a this. Now can anyone tell me which side view you are able to visualize? Which side view you are able to visualize? Yeah, can anyone? Yes. In this case, we are able to see a front view, we are able to see a top view, and then we are able to see a side view, that is RHS view. Very good. We are able to see RHS view. RHS, yes. So these three things are there, what we are supposed to take it into consideration. Yes. So ये वाला portion हमारा. So now, can anyone tell me where the first where the front view will be coming? First quadrant, second quadrant, third quadrant, fourth quadrant. Where the front view will come? Can anyone tell me? Come on. अरे बाप रे, थर्ड क्वार्टर में किसको मिल रहा है? यश, क्या हो रहा है आपको? Top right. Okay, yeah, very good, very good. You people are just making me shocked by putting it third quadrant. Yeah, everyone clear. First quadrant, very good. So what you'll do is now you will make a box for the front view. Chalo, make a box for the front view, everyone. Everyone make a box for the front view. And I hope you are already aware of that, which are the two parameters you are able to see in the front view. So start making it. Now this you are already aware of. So I'll just try to make you independent in that course. You can draw it by your own. Just try. All the data are mentioned. So in the case of a front view, you are able to see so in the case of a front view, you are able to see the two parameters. Now, which are the two parameters you are supposed to decide and draw it. In similar way, you're supposed to go with the top view as well. In the case of a top view, what are the things you are able to see? For that, what is the value of the boxes, what we are creating? Let's define. Come on. I hope this you are already aware of and you can able to draw it. If you are not able to draw it, please follow the previous videos, which has been giving all the information related to this. Almost all the information. 5. So I'm not supposed to say. So this is then. Yeah, so I expect from everyone that please make the boxes for all the three views. Make the boxes for all the three views. I request everyone, please make the boxes for all the three views. The front view, the top view, and the side view. Front view, top view, and the side. No, I will not be writing the dimensions because it is already being given here. Yes, it is already being given here. And in which view, what are the two parameters coming? This is already being taken. So for making top view box, what measurements you have taken? I'll not be telling you, Deepak, because just think about it that the top view has which are the two parameters. Think about which are the two parameters you are having for the top view. And that are the two parameters what we have drawn it here. So I'm seeing that no one is following the videos which is being shared. So it is better that not to share the videos. If you are not following the videos, if you are not seeing the videos, if you are not practicing it, then it is better not to share it or share with the some selective students who are really focusing it. So I expect that these students practice the book, practice the this drawing, because drawing practice is very important. Then only on the D-Day you will be able to draw it. Otherwise, it will be very difficult. So can I expect that you have done with the things? Yeah. Intersect line, how to make it. Okay, that I'll tell you little later. अभी मत नहीं बनाया तो भी चलेगा. Okay. So intersection line बाद में बनाया तो भी चलेगा. We make only focus only on the boxes. First, you focus only on the boxes. If you are done with all the three boxes, let me know so that I can move further. Perfect. Anyone else is there who is still pending? Yes, come on. Perfect. People are done. Good. So now with this, we'll move further. So first of all, let's start with the diagram, which is having the view, which is having a more number of circles. So in the case of the front view, you are having only two circles, 1 and 2. In the case of a top view, you have 1, 2, 3, 4, this curve 5, this curve 6. In the case of a side view, there is no circle. So we have to first focus on the top view. हमको पहले फोकस किधर करना है, टॉप व्यू पे. So I expect from you all people, I'll give you next 2 minutes roughly in your rough book. Please draw the top view. Top view, roughly draw it in your rough book and show it to me. Top view roughly अपने rough book में बनाओ and show it to me. Roughly make it in your rough book, the top view. So are you able to see my screen? Students? The PPT वाला screen. Yes, students. So what we are being able to see, please just draw it fast. So students, yes, start drawing. रफली कैसे ड्रॉ करेंगे आप यहाँ पे समथिंग विल बी कमिंग दिस वे जस्ट ड्रॉ इट फॉर यू ये यहाँ पे कुछ आएगा ऐसे we'll see the measurements not a problem measurements का problem we'll see but we are just making we are trying to make the things what we are able to see सब कुछ तो दिखेगा यहाँ पे like this and then yes anything else will be seen students hidden line and after them yeah anything else बच्चा लोग okay so with this let's start with the things Chalo. So now just let me know I'll just clear all the drawings and then we'll start drawing so just tell me that you are able to see my AutoCAD screen you are able to see my AutoCAD screen yes perfect now the very first thing what we will do is yeah very first thing what we will do is we'll just make this center line ये center line बनाएंगे बच्चों पहले ये जो center line दिख रहा है this center line first we will be making So how to make a center line? So center line के लिए what we will do is exactly at the center we'll just make one line, and let's see how it is done. We'll just make this here one center line like this. I'll just convert it into center line. I hope everyone is knowing now how to convert the normal line into a center line. So this is not being again supposed to be instructed because it is already been told. So, and it is being already told to you how to increase the width as well. No such difference being seen. Then need to go a little higher side. So now it is being seen. So see, center line is being seen. I just make it with the cyan color. Yeah. So this is the center line. Now by taking the reference of the center line, we'll make each and everything. Okay, by taking the reference of the center line, we'll make each and everything. So what we will do very first. देखो तो पहले सबसे पहले करेंगे क्या, ये देखो यहाँ पे. So the very first is we will go inside this much, इतना अंदर जाएंगे, and then we'll get the center point. ये center point मिलेगा, ठीक है, ये center point मिलेगा. Then we'll make this two circle, ये और ये, ठीक है. So चलो, come on, make it. So now you will be telling me that how much it is getting inside. How did you took middle line? The middle line is exactly width ka half. This is the width, isn't it? Yes, is it? Is it a width? Yes, come on. Tell me, is it a width? Students, ये क्या है? ये लाइन क्या है? Yes, Nishant. By mistake, he has raised the hand. Okay, so this distance is basically the length, बच्चों. ये length है ना? Front view है, ये top view है. Top view में length होता है and width होता है ना? So this is the length. So length का half you will be taking, and exactly middle you will be making one center line. So once you have made a center line, what you have to do next is you have to, from here you will be going above. So the how much above you will be going? You will be going 20 above. Then you'll be getting a point. So the point whatever you got it. How come question is 20 कैसे मिला? ये देखो यहाँ पे ये 40 है. So 40 का half is 20, and from here we'll reach at 20. Okay, we'll reach at 20. So we'll reach at 20. So I'm 20 पे पहुँच गए, and then I'm just making a circle. Okay, students, I'm making a circle. So what is that? So there are two circles what you are supposed to make it. One is the diameter 20 and the other diameter is 40. So 20, enter, that is the radius. And the second what we are having is 10, enter. So this is the two circles what we are supposed to make it. So I hope it is clear to you all that how to make the circles. Everyone? Yes. I'm just making a center line for the circles, as it is mandatory that wherever you take a circle, it's supposed to show the center line. So that was the circle part. So this much is like the thing. The things what we are doing is till here we have done. ये circle मिल गया, ये भी मिल गया. Now what we will be focusing on? We'll be focusing on this line. I'll just make a change in the color. So the color is make it red. So this two lines, ये line और ये line हम बनाएंगे. So now while making this line, you have to be knowing that what is this distance. ये distance कितना? ये width of the rib. उसको rib बोलते हैं बच्चों. RIB rib. It's not red. ये ribs है. Ribs. B है. Ribs. So the what is that? So now you can see here that nowhere they have mentioned that rib ka distance. Okay, na bachcho? Nowhere they have mentioned the rib ka distance. What we'll assume it? We'll assume that it is 10. Okay, as it is not mentioned, what we'll do is it is assume we'll assume it as 10. So the rib is having a distance of 10. We'll consider it in this 10. Okay, rib ka distance हमने क्या consider कर लिया 10. So let's come to that. So we'll be making the two lines, which is 5 left from the center line and 5 right from the center line. I'll just take a copy, and then from here I just make 5 right and 5, which is opposite what I have said. So now these two things, I'll just convert it into a normal line, and we'll just convert it into a normal color. So here I'll just erase the extra part. The extra part which is there inside the circle first. And even this is not there. So this one. Yeah. Now I'll just clear all the drawings because everything has been shifted. Now it is fine. So now this is being drawn, but it is not till the upper end. एकदम ऊपर तक नहीं है. कितना है? तो 40 है. कहाँ से मालूम पड़ा? See here, it is 40. From center till the 40 distance. So that much we have to consider. So just clear all the drawings and then I'll go to 40. So from here we'll go about as 40. Still मैं डिलीट कर देता हूँ इसको मैं. Just remove this portion. This is done for the this part. The part हमने complete कर. Okay. So what we have done till now, we have done this. ये पूरा complete कर. Okay. Now we'll come to the cylinder. So when you see from the top, the cylinder seems to be like a rectangle. It seems to be like a rectangle. Rectangle जैसा दिखेगा. So rectangle का length कितना होगा? That will be the diameter of the circle. And what will be the height of the rectangle? That will be 65. ये कितना रहेगा? Diameter of the circle, which is 40. And what will be the height? That will be 65. So let's make it. Let's clear all the drawings and then I'll come once again. Yes. So what I'll do is I'll just start from the center of this. So this side I'll be coming as 20, enter. Then above going as 65, enter. Then this side 40, enter. 65, enter. That completes my this portion. मेरा rectangle complete हो गया बच्चों. My rectangle is done. Everyone, anyone has any doubt, they can ask. Otherwise, draw it and then we'll move further. Yeah. So anyone has any doubt, they can ask. Anyone has any doubt? Yes, come on. If you have any doubt, you can ask it. If you don't have any, you can simply raise the thumb and we'll move further. You can simply raise the thumb and we'll move further. Come on, do it fast. Draw it. And if you have any doubt, you can ask and we'll move further. I'll give you 2 minutes to draw this. Fatafat draw kar. Chalo. So I hope everyone has done now. The rectangle one dimension is 65. Other will be 40. This distance, this 40. Yes, 65 by 40. Yes, 65 or you 40. How did you do this one? So everyone has done. I hope so. So we'll move further. And moving further, what we'll do is Vinay Chaurasia is the hand. Okay, by mistaken placement. So now what we will do is now we'll be doing this. इसका hidden बनाएंगे बच्चों. ये जो circle है, ये circle का hidden बनाएंगे. ये circle का hidden बनाएंगे. Let's make the hidden of the circle. कितना है? That is 20. So 10 left side and 10 right side will be making the hidden line. So let's make it. So 10. This is to be came down. That is 65. This is to be removed. So this is the line what we are supposed to convert it into a hidden line. So I'll just convert it by taking a hidden line. Hidden 2x. Okay. Okay. Select the line. Come here. Hidden x2. What's this? This will be made as a, I'm just making. So this, I'll just copy, paste it at this. So this is the hidden line for this particular portion. Okay, ये particular portion, ये hidden line हो गया इसका. Like this. Yes. So that hidden line is done. Now what is the next? Now we have to make this base part. Okay, we have to make the base. Now the question is, base का ये जो center line है, कौन सा? ये वाला जो center line, where it is lying. Okay, that is the question. This center line continues here itself. Yes, right. You know. Now, so let's understand this first. We know already this point. ये वाला point पता है. कहाँ है वो? तो देखो ये है. This. From here, it is getting inside 10. ये देखो 10. ये इतना inner side में 10 है. ठीक है? And rib what we have defined already. Rib हमने 10 का define किया था. तो इसका मतलब ये भी 10 होगा. वो भी कितना होगा बच्चों? 10 होगा. That means what? From this point, this particular line, ये जो line है वो कितना दूर है? 10 plus 5, 15 inside. ठीक है? Once again repeating. ये जो line है, I'll just show you this line. ये जो line है, this line, blue color का line दिख रहा है अभी आपको? ये blue color का line is actually this line. ये वाला. ठीक है? This line. Now from blue line till this red line, ये जो vertical red line दिख रहा है, वो कितना distance है? So that is 10, जो कि यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक है, और फिर ये next 5. The total becomes 15. So what we will do is we'll go with inside 15. So let's take a line command, and from here I'll get inside 15 enter. So I've gone much with 15 was 154. 15. Yeah. 15 पे I'll just draw one center line. Now why I'm making this center line? Because it is very important that once you make this center line, after then by taking a reference of this, you can make multiple different lines. Okay, so I'll just make this as a center line. Make it a cyan color. ये सेंटर लाइन. अब ये सेंटर लाइन के रेफरेंस से विल मेक द कंप्लीट सर्कल्स एंड ऑल द होल थिंग्स विल बी कंप्लीटेड. ये सेंटर लाइन हमारा बन गया. अब ये सेंटर लाइन का ये डिस्टेंस कितना है? Which distance we are talking about? ये डिस्टेंस. What is that distance? यहाँ से लेके यहाँ तक कितना डिस्टेंस है? यही रहेगा 20. ठीक है. So taking a center line 20 above 20 below will make the rectangle जैसा बन जाएगा. देख लेते हैं कैसे बनता है. Take this, copy from here, take 20 above and 20. Okay. I'll just convert these two lines into a normal lines. उनको normal line में convert करता हूँ मैं. Okay. Now one more thing. From here you have to take 20 inside. Now ये कौन सा 20? So this is the point from where we'll be able to make this semicircle. ये इतना 20 अंदर गया ना मैं. See this much. 20 inside I got it. Wherever I go, I have reached, that is the center point. जिससे मैं ये semicircle बनाऊंगा और ये circle भी बनाऊंगा. So let's have a look with that. I reached till here and then I have made a circle. Similarly, I'll make one more circle. जो कितना है? That is 20 diameter. That is 10 mm. This is the two things. I'll just make the adjustments. Since I'll just create the so yes. This will be clear different. Okay. So this is it. अब हम क्या करेंगे? This portion what we are having this and this. I'll take a mirror command of it. ठीक है? I'll take a mirror command of it. It's asking specify mirror lines and specify the mirror lines. Asking no and then the extra part is to be removed. So this is to be removed and this is to be removed. So देखो ये दो चीज. So for this, I'll just give you once again 2 minutes. Just complete this and then we'll move further. Okay. चलो ड्रॉ करो फटाफट. Once you have done, let me know so that I can move further. Yes, come on, just once you are done, just let me know. Good. People have done. Fine. So next few things what you are supposed to understand. This portion what you are seeing starting from here till here. This portion. Are you able to see from the top? You are not able to see. So just because of that, what we are doing is we are just making it a hidden line. So starting from this erase it first and then we will draw it there. Just to be removed. We remove. So here I'm making this, and this is to be taken here as yellow color, hidden line, here as that is the hidden line part. First thing. Second, when you see here, next part, yes, this one, this portion, what you are seeing, this portion is getting overlapped with this one. That is agreed. Okay. This portion, this rib, what you are having inclined, that rib is getting overlapped with this. That is agreed. But wherever this rib has got connected to this circle, there might be one line. वहां पर एक लाइन होगा ना, एक शार्प एज होगा कि नहीं? यहाँ पे एक शार्प एज होगा कि नहीं? शार्प, ये सिलेंडर को ऐसे पूरा ऐसा ऐसे, तो सिलेंडर को एक शार्प एज होगा जो ये कनेक्ट कर रहा है with this one. I hope it is clear to you. I'll just make it with the blue color that part. जो शार्प एज कनेक्ट कर रहा हूँ. So for that, what I have to do is I clear all points. I'll just come here once again, and I'll make a circle. I'll make a circle. The circle will be of radius 20, and in that, I'll just keep the portion which is here. This to be removed. This to be removed, and this is to be removed. And this is to be removed. Only what was there? Only this much. So this much is to be converted into hidden line, converted into different color, then it is to be covered. I need to like that. So here we'll be making the hidden line. That is the third. One more thing is there. This portion when you see, ye wala portion, this line. I'll show you once again. This line, what you are seeing, this ye wala line, or the base. It is being not seen from the top. It is not being seen from the top. It will be hidden. So what I have to do is I have to remove that as well. Yes, and this will be removed. And now I'll just make a connection with this group. That is again to be made a hidden line like this way. Here it is yellow color, and then here straight. Okay, that is it. Now Students can you tell me something else is remaining? There is something else which is remaining here. Can anyone let me know? Yes. Anyone? Yeah. Someone has given some answer. So वो circle के नीचे join part. Circle के नीचे join part. Okay. And I didn't understood your perspective, but I'll discuss that. Just let me know that you are talking the same thing or not. So the next is this part. ये जो rib है, ये rib. Okay. This rib is similar to this rib. ये जो rib है ना, ये जो है उतना ही उसका भी width हो, उतना ही उसका भी. So that we have to draw it from the top. So now how it will be done? Let's have a look. So for that, what we'll do is we'll come from here, and as it is being already done, that the rib, this rib was 10. So we'll take once again 5, come in here till this line, and just to be taken till here. This we are supposed to make the mirror. Here line, no, then here it is. These two things, what it will be a hidden line. Will be a hidden line. So in that case, this will be a hidden line like this one. Now coming to this portion, ये वाला एक और rib है, ये वाला rib. This rib will not be able to see from the top as it is in the same line from above, but we will not be able to see this line. ये line banana important. Which one? This one. ये. And this will be on both the sides. यहाँ पर भी होगा. ठीक है? So we expect that the same structure what is here will be that side as well. So both the side we have to make this portion. ये portion बनाना पड़ेगा. As a hidden जो कि हमको ऊपर से नहीं दिख रहा. So for that what we will do is we will take the it's clear all drawings, and I hope so when I was talking about this only. So let's come here and then here. That is again 10, so 5 enter, and then we are connecting till this line. There we have to connect first to that. That is to be connected till the line. Okay. That is a little different. Yes. And then from here, I'll just make a connection. Yeah, this one. This is to be. Now this and this one. Made a hidden line. This one and the color we are making changes. Then what we are seeing here, we'll be able to see on the opposite side as well. This way it will be. At the same time, it will be then on the other side as well. So just take this, and this will be taken a mirror command. Okay. So So I hope students are able to understand what we are trying to draw. Anyone has any problem, please ask. Till now, we have drawn this line, which was inside, a sharp edge, and then we came here. Similarly, it was here also. ऐसे इधर होगा, फिर एक sharp line इधर पीछे होगा. Sharp. Similarly, यहाँ पर भी वैसे ही होगा. It will be like this. So, that is the case. What we are having is this line making a plus, kind of plus sign. So that is something what is being drawn here. After this, if you find anything else, please let me know. So maximum, I think so. We have completed the drawing. Yes, students, if you have anything to say, anything you feel like the thing should be there, let me know. And accordingly, we'll just move further. I'll just move this. Yes, if anyone has any question, they can ask it. Because see, ultimately you have to draw it and in the exam. In the exam, you are supposed to do it by your own. So expect that everyone should be able to draw it at that time. That is only the concern. So unless you're not able to understand, you're not be able to draw. So I hope this is understood to everyone. Yes, come on, give your reply. If you understood, thumbs up. If you didn't understood, lower your thumb and ask the question. So that we can move to front view if the things are fine enough. Yes, everyone. Anyone has any doubt, they can ask, otherwise we'll move further. Let us know, we'll move further. Yeah. Anyone has any question? Come on, give your reply. Yes. Yes, anyone? Come on. निशांत, स्वप्ना, प्रांजल, दीपक, वंश, प्रथम, धनिशा, प्रणव, भरत, आदित्य, कवल, अभिषेक, कृषि, विनायक, यश, ओमकार, मुकुंद। समझ में आ रहा है? Very good. It's close to impossible. People are just doing it. Good. चलो, ठीक है. So we'll move further now. With this, they have completed the top view. Now we'll come to a front. Okay. Now we'll come to front. So what are the things to be drawn in the front? So everyone, please make a rough diagram for the front view in your book. Yes, there is a raised two raised hand. Yeah, we'll take first Nishant. Yes, Nishant. Good.
Hello.
Hello.
Sir, for the first rib, we drew that small hidden lines, but for the other, we drew means it is not same, na sir?
Are you talking about? Are you talking about this rib?
Yes, sir. This rib and the 40 diameter radius का rib बनाया ना सर, उसका hidden line और इसका hidden line अलग अलग है.
Uh, I didn't get you once again. 40 diameter का radius जो बनाया है, this 40 diameter is this, right?
नहीं सर, ये वाला नहीं.
अच्छा, you are talking
ये
this?
हाँ हाँ हाँ.
Okay. इसका जो rib है, ये rib.
हाँ, इसके लिए हमने दो कांटेक्ट पॉइंट्स बनाए और जो बाकी के रिब्स है उसके लिए अलग तरह के हिडन लाइंस बनाए, तो वो थोड़ा कंफ्यूज हो रहा है.
Okay. This rib when you are talking about, first of all, जितना मुझे समझ रहा है कि आप क्या पूछ रहे हो. So if I am talking about this rib, ये जो rib की आप अगर आप बात कर रहे हो, this rib and this one, these two lines are being overlapping with this बच्चा.
हाँ,
ठीक है,
यस सर.
ये ओवरलैप हो रहा है. तो व्हेन इट इज बीइंग ओवरलैपिंग, तो व्हाट आई हैव टोल्ड यू कि हिडन लाइन इफ इट इज ओवरलैपिंग विद अ विजिबल लाइन, यू आर सपोज्ड टू मेक अ विजिबल लाइन.
यस सर.
So that is why we have made a visible line here. ये visible line हमने बनाया.
यस सर, दैट आई अंडरस्टूड.
ठीक है.
हाँ.
Okay. The next is there is a contact between, like ये circle जहाँ पे ये cylinder जहाँ पे ये rib को connect कर रहा है.
यस सर.
There might be a sharp edge, right?
यस सर.
वो शार्प एज हमने यहाँ पर सेमी सर्कल के ये यहाँ हिडन बनाया है.
हाँ, यस सर.
ठीक है. एट द सेम टाइम व्हेन यू सी फ्रॉम द टॉप, इधर भी एक शार्प एज है.
हाँ, यस सर.
जो भी नहीं दिख रहा है, फिर से नहीं दिख रहा है, तो उसके लिए हमने ये हिडन लाइन बनाई.
यस सर.
ओके. आफ्टर देन ये जो पॉइंट है, ये जो कॉर्नर है, ठीक है, ये कॉर्नर के पीछे एक लाइन गया होगा.
ये हाँ, यस सर.
सिमिलरली ये कॉर्नर के पीछे भी एक लाइन गया होगा.
यस सर.
और वो लाइन जो है वो इस कर्व को कनेक्ट कर रहा है.
यस सर.
तो what we have done is we have made a hidden line and then we have made this hidden line. तो जैसा मैं यहाँ पे
सर.
बता पा रहा हूँ वैसा ही इधर भी होगा.
यस सर. सो सर, तो फिर जो 40 डायमीटर रेडियस वाला जो सिलेंडर है उसमें शार्प पॉइंट पे रिप टच हो रहा था, इसलिए हमने ये छोटे वाले दो बनाए.
यस, करेक्ट करेक्ट
और
करेक्ट.
और बाकी के लिए स्मूथ सरफेस हो रहा था, इसलिए बाकी रिप्स के लिए शार्प पॉइंट के लिए वो नहीं बनाया.
नहीं बनाए. देखो यहाँ पे है क्या, कोई लाइन है क्या यहाँ पे?
हाँ, ओके
नहीं है
सर.
ना, यहाँ पे लाइन नहीं है ना.
हाँ, नहीं है सर.
So that is why we are not making it. But when you will make but the question is comes कि सर यहाँ तो लाइन है.
हाँ,
ठीक है.
लेकिन सर वो
बट वो
कंटिन्यूस लाइन के
बट
ओवरलैप हो
हाँ,
जाएगा.
यस, बट वो रेक्टेंगल से ही ओवरलैप हो जाएगा. जो सर्कल का सिलेंडर का रेक्टेंगल है उसी से ओवरलैप हो जाएगा.
हाँ, यस सर.
आई होप आई हैव गिवन योर आंसर.
यस सर,
Perfect.
अंडरस्टूड सर.
I will come to the next question. Yes, Vinay. Yes, Vinay, बोलो.
नहीं सर, सेम क्वेश्चन था, मेरे को भी उसमें डाउट था,
So now
वो
it is
क्लियर हो
clear.
गया। यस सर, थैंक यू।
Okay, lower your hand. Bacha. Perfect. So with this, that completes our front view, and now we'll come to the sorry, top view done. Now we'll come to the front view. Everyone just make a rough diagram of the front view so that we can understand that till what extent it is to be explained. So let's make the front view now. So front view, just make the rough diagram and then we'll start with the actual diagram. Everyone just make the rough diagram. For your reference, just make the rough diagram. Once you have done with your rough diagram, just let me know.
पुण्य।
we have created the center line. The center line we have done exactly at the center of the length. We have marked it and then we have taken the line down. After then, what we will do is we will just start from the top because we'll make a circle and so on and so forth. We'll move further. So from the top, when we will start, the circle is at a distance of 20. Center is at a distance of 20. So from the top, I'll just take 20, enter. And then from there, we will start with the circle. The circle is having a radius 20 and 10. Radius I'm talking about. So radius is 20 and 10. So one is 20 and another is 10. So 20 and 10. These are the two radius of the circle. Okay. Now, two circles we are supposed to draw it. One circle what we have drawn was supposed to be from, as I've told you, this distance you have to take. ये आना है distance नीचे. ठीक है ना? ये distance आना है. That is 40 का half. 40 का half. That is 20. So 20 you have to come down and then you have to make this circle and this circle. ये दोनों circle आपको बनाना है. ठीक है? So try that two circles. Come on, complete that two circles. Everyone. Just complete that two circles. Everyone. Just convert it into a center line. So we're done with the two circles. Okay. ये दो circles हो गए हमारे. Now after this, what we will do? Everyone just complete this two circles and then we move further. Come on. These two circles just completed. One circle has a diameter of 40 and another circle is having a diameter of 20. The two circles we have drawn, one is 40, another is 20. 40 and 20. 40 and 20. Once you have done this, we'll come to this rib. ये वाला rib पे आएंगे. This rib. That we have to come down how much? Now the question comes कि how much down we have to take it. So you can see here it is 40. From center till this line it is 40. Mention किया देखो ये center से ये line 40. So you have to come down 40. So what I'll do is now from here I'll take 40 down. Okay, 40 down, and then as the rib ka width is being defined, which is 5, enter, going above. Five enter going above, and then I'll make a mirror. इसको mirror कर दूंगा मैं बाद में. Just delete these things. ये भी delete करना पड़ेगा. And then this will be mirror. ये आपने. Okay. So this one is deleted and then this one. So this way we have to draw it. Everyone just complete this part. Yes, everyone. Just complete this part. Yes. Now. So just let me know once you have completed till here. I'll just give you 2 minutes for this. Complete it till here. Just complete this portion and let me know. So done with this much. Now we'll go with this portion. We have to make a rectangle for this cylinder. Yes, a rectangle बनाएंगे इसको. ये cylinder का rectangle बनाना पड़ेगा. Like this. Okay, this. So how we'll make it? Just have a look. We'll take the distance as from here. I'll be taking it as the distance for 20. 20, enter. नीचे आएंगे, नीचे is 40, enter. Then coming this side, 40, enter. 40, enter. And then we'll come once again. Like this one. The box what we are making here is actually for the cylinder. The box we are making, the 40 has a 40 height and it has a length of once again 40 because it is mentioned here, so diameter. This is 40 and this is also 40. So 40 by 40 box you have to make it. Okay, 40 by 40 box you have to make it. Now, in that case, let's make it proper. Yes. After then, you have to make the inner circle. Which inner circle you are talking about? This inner circle hidden line you have to make it. Chalo, make a hidden line of that inner circle. So that inner circle is of a diameter 20, means 10 left side and 10 right side for the hidden line. So 10 left side, and then you have to create a hidden line. Okay. And this will be creating it as a hidden line, converting it yellow color, and then converting this into. Here, I'll be taking a mirror of it from here to here. This is the final part of here. So hidden line has been made. A hidden line for this particular circle, the inner circle. ये जो inner circle है उसका hidden line हमने बना दिया. Now we'll be coming to this rib. ये वाला rib बनाते हैं. This rib will be coming down. So before making this rib, what we'll make is we'll make a base plate first. Base plate which is having a distance of 10, height of 10. The base plate will be completely going to be coming here. So ऐसे, then about 10. Coming this side once again. So what is the length of the figure is 110, and then coming. So this is the base plate what we are trying making. ये हमने base plate बना ली. This we have made a base plate. Okay. So once you have made a base plate, what is the next thing you have to do? And just select this and copy. Let's place it here. Now just increase this length. So this is that rib what we are supposed to make. ये rib हमने बना लिया. ठीक है. In this way. So this is the rib what we have made it for the portion which is down one. ये वाला जो portion है. This portion what we are making, ये वाला जो rib है, ये rib हमने यहाँ पे बना लिया. These are the two ribs. ठीक है. These are the two ribs. Okay. What next? We'll be making this now. ये वाला portion हम बनाते हैं. That is 15. Okay. After the rib there is 15. So what I'll do is from here I'll come this side 15 and then I'll connect it with the same circle. Circle. So this will be this one. तो फिर उसका मिरर ले लेता हूँ. ये होगा. What is these two lines? ये line and this line ये क्या है? So we are talking about these ribs. ये यहाँ पे जो rib है ना, ये rib और उस side भी होगा rib. So that are the two lines what we are having. Ribs. Okay. Fine. Now what is the next? Next is students. ये बहुत important part है. ये आपको समझना है. I'll show you this. There is a point here. See यहाँ पे एक point. ये point है, ठीक है. ये point. ये point के पीछे एक line है ना. Isn't it? Similarly, ये point है तो वो point के पीछे भी एक line होगा. Yes or no? So these two lines, the lines what you are making, these two lines are supposed to be made as a hidden line because it is not being seen from a front view. So when it is not being seen from a front view, you are supposed to make it as a hidden line. So hidden line कैसे बनाएंगे? So starting from here till here, and similarly just starting from here till here. These are the two lines what we are supposed to make it as a hidden line. Okay, ये hidden line होगी. This is hidden. This is the hidden line. You are making. वो किसका hidden line है? That you are knowing now. ठीक है? And yeah. Now the last part what is remaining in the case is your these two circles. ये circle और ये वाला circle का hidden line. So let's move that as well. So for that I need to take a projection. So I'll take a projection of it in till here. Let's take it till here and then I'll just drop it down. Okay. Similarly, let's go. Okay. This I'll just copy and then make it. That is to be done at. So I'll just make a hidden line from here above. Similarly, this is to be these two lines we are supposed to make a hidden line. So I just convert it into a hidden line and the color will be changed at the same time. So this is fine. So this way hidden line has been shown. And now these two hidden lines, what we have made it, I'll just take a mirror command of it. I just create it on the other side as well. So these are the two hidden lines what I'm supposed to make it. Now, other than this, do you feel students anything else is to be drawn? In the case of a front view, do you feel anything else is to be drawn? Come on, give your reply. Almost all the things have been covered. If you feel anything else is to be drawn, please let me know. Yes. One more thing is there, which is this one. Coming here. Let's take the control. Yes. This part as a hidden line. It is similar to what we have done last in the this part. Bottom part. जैसे हमने यहाँ पे किया था, ये वाला पोर्शन जो हमने किया था, in the similar way it will be on this as well. Okay. To understand this, hidden lines of a circle and center line of a circle. Hidden line of a circle. Hidden line of a circle is made center line of a circle. Okay, center line we have to make it now. Okay, fine, no issues. Let me explain you first this part. Okay, let me explain you this portion. ये rib wherever it is getting and connecting to the this circle. ये circle को जहाँ पर भी वो connect हो रहा है, there will be a sharp line, right? एक sharp edge होगा, ठीक है? एक sharp edge होगा यहाँ पर, जहाँ पे ये rib connect हो रहा होगा. So that उसका hidden line नहीं है. यहाँ से तो नहीं दिख रहा है. There is no such line here. But back side there is a line because sharp edge ये inclined line है and that is connected to the circle. So there will be a sharp edge and that sharp edge is hidden line. So that is the case, and now I'll just make the center line for this so that center line is at 10. Let's make a center line. I think so. This is the last part of the front view what we are supposed to make it, and after this things have been done. For the case of center line. Let's take a look. Move this mirror command. Here, here, here. So that completes your front view. Students, that completes your front view and your top view. Okay. So when we'll be joining next time, you can take a screenshot or can take a pic of it so that you can draw it by your own if you have missed it in some other way. I'll definitely share the video. So not to worry about it. And next time when we are coming, please someone just take a screenshot of it so that let me know next time that we have done till here and next time we have to start from here. So we'll just complete the side view. If you are able to do it the side view, then it is much better. If you are not able to, next time I'll explain you the side view as well, and then we'll just make the conversion of this particular diagram into a sectional orthographic. Okay, हम इसको convert करेंगे sectional orthographic. So this time we have done with the orthographic part, and the side view is remaining. Side view, just complete it, try to complete it. If anyhow you can try to manage it, because again it will take a little more time for completing that part. So side view completed, and next time we'll start with, we'll complete the side view as well as we'll just try to complete the sectional part of the figure. Sorry, sectional part of the figure. Yeah. So do we have to upload the screenshot of AutoCAD or do we have to draw it on yellow sheet? See, Pranav, what I'm talking is whatever we are drawing in an AutoCAD sheet, you have to convert it into a PDF. You are not supposed to take a screenshot of it. Why you are taking a screenshot? You are able to do it in a printout. ये कर सकते हो, PDF बना सकते हो. Now, how to create a PDF, that also I can tell you. See, Control P पे जाओ. Okay, Control P. Yeah. So see, this particular dialog box is getting open. Now in this, what you have to do is, everyone just listen this carefully. Conversion of AutoCAD into a PDF. Name के जगह पे what you will do is you will convert it into a PDF. AutoCAD PDF. ठीक है? This you can keep it drawing to PDF. Yes, this drawing to PDF you can click it. Okay, DWG to PDF, and after then here you can keep it like okay. So here you can keep it ANSI also, not a problem. Otherwise you can you can no issue, you can continue with the same. Okay. Now next is what little important, ये देखो, display पे नहीं जाना है, you have to click on window. Okay, you have to click on window and then you have to select your diagram. तो मैंने suppose ऐसे select कर लिया, ये diagram select कर लिया like this. ठीक है, in this way I have selected my diagram. After then center the plot. ठीक है, center the plot, apply to layout and see the preview. ठीक है, this is the diagram what you are able to see. ठीक है, everyone will be able to see the diagram this way. Now you can see here that the yellow color is not being seen, right? So you convert it into a single color. All the diagram, all the this, you have to convert it into a single color. But see to it that you are not converting into a like a black color. ठीक है, सबको ब्लैक कलर मत कर देना, सिर्फ आपका डायग्राम जो है वो रेड में रखना, सब रेड में रखना, सब कुछ रेड में रखना, so that when you take a printout automatically everything comes in a black color itself. ठीक है, automatically. Otherwise सब black में रखा तो what will happen, this diagram and the box will not be making any difference. So this preview you are able to see. In this preview, see to it that you are putting your name, roll number, everything. जैसे मैंने यहाँ length, width and height रखा है उस तरीके से what you'll do is here you'll put your name, roll number, class, division, everything you'll be putting it. ठीक है, and date of this yeah, so name, roll number, class and this which sheet it is, so topic का name at the top you are supposed to have it. ठीक है, so इतना करने के बाद what you'll do is once again you'll come and then you will save it to PDF. ठीक है, so how to save it, let's have a look. तो ये okay कर दिया मैंने, so the moment I'll do it okay, it will save it. है ना बच्चों, आप कर सकते हो इतना, everyone? Everyone, you can do it. Yes, Deepak has the raised hand. Yeah, Deepak, go on.
सर जब इसको हम नॉर्मल सेव करते हैं वैसे अपलोड नहीं कर सकते जीसीआर पे विदाउट पीडीएफ?
नहीं, PDF करके करो, because what will happen that I'll not be able to open your diagram in the case where the PC is not having the AutoCAD.
ओके सर.
Okay, so the please convert it into PDF and then upload it, because it is possible that there are many PCs in which AutoCAD is not uploaded. So if I'm checking it, then it will be difficult for me to check it. So that is one of the case why I'm trying to tell you that make it PDF. ठीक है, ये process अभी आपको clear हो गया, and yeah, sir, I'll draw will be of red color including all types of lines. Yes, good. So with this I'll just stop the share right now, and we will next time once again start from here, but I expect that if you complete it beyond this, in the case like side view, then it will be little better. I've taken different color projection lines and center lines, it will be okay. Different colors in the sense whatever you're taking, not an issue, but see to it that when the printout is coming, in that case the printout should have all the lines. Printout should have all the type of lines. Is it fine, everyone? Okay. So with this I'll just stop the recording as well.